Good morning. Myself Rameshwar Sharma Vedala. I am at Nakkavani Palam beach in Visakhapatnam. Behind me is the NTPC powerhouse. What I want to tell you today, my mentor Siddarth Rajsekhar, he is helping many people to become digital coaches. What he wants is each one of us having some skill, experience and inner urge to help people with our motivation levels and our experience and our skill to improve others' well-being, employment and knowing something beyond what we are doing today. And he also wants people to realize that what we think we achieve. If we can adjust our thermostat in our mind to earn more, we can do that. Through his workshops, his mentoring, he helped many people to become crorepati's. He himself is a college dropout. He is realized the education system today is not that great. This gives qualification to enter into a job. The skill set and adaptability and mindset, attitude, these are all the some things which this is not helping to improve upon. So what he is trying to do is develop more and more people as digital coaches, online course creations and involve all the people to help someone else to achieve more. Together we can achieve more is the principle. I am his student. He given me an opportunity to propagate his workshop, introduce him to my friends and group members in social media, known circles, to give his a 1 hour session which he costs and charge around 5,000 rupees. He obliged to give it for free. I am giving the link in this description. Please click on it and read about him, understand and attend his one session. It changes our mindset. It helps. Thank you.